there's life, then there's living. This area is ready for you to come and explore all that the Tri-Lakes area has to offer. This beautiful building site is perfect for that new home with an amazing view of the beautiful Table Rock Lake and the historic Kimberling City Bridge. Just off the James River Road, there's mature trees, sloping hills, and wildlife with room for privacy. Sipping coffee from your deck while overlooking the lake. What more could you ask for? So come on, relax and unwind. We're waiting for you.